remarkable features. On the outside, the 2024 Wagoneer exudes presence and sophistication. Its bold design commands attention, while its aerodynamic profile enhances efficiency and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious and meticulously crafted interior. The Wagoneer offers seating for up to 8 passengers, ensuring ample room for family and friends. But it's not just about comfort. The Wagoneer is equipped with cutting-edge technology. The Uconnect 5 infotainment system seamlessly integrates with your digital life, offering navigation, entertainment, and connectivity at your fingertips. And when it comes to capability, the Wagoneer is in a league of its own. With 3 available 4x4 systems, including Quadra-Trac 1, Quadra-Trac 2, and Quadra-Drive 2, it's ready to conquer any terrain with confidence. Need to haul your toys for a weekend adventure? The Wagoneer boasts impressive towing capabilities with a maximum towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds when properly equipped. Safety is paramount, and the Wagoneer offers a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring, providing peace of mind on every journey. With various trim levels and customization options available, you can tailor the Wagoneer to suit your unique style and preferences, ensuring a vehicle that truly reflects your personality. In conclusion, the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer seamlessly blends luxury, technology, and capability, offering an unparalleled driving experience that's ready for any adventure life throws your way. You can view our selection at moreauto.com or give us a call at 623-298-0141.